Welcome everybody. Welcome to your Dharma session. When we lean into Dharma, curiosity is your best friend. In that way, we're not looking at the stories. We're not looking at what we make them mean. We are sitting and observing. Imagine that you are a mountain. And on the top of your mountain is enlightenment. And you are on the journey. So you start to traverse the mountain with the desire to be enlightened. And all of a sudden you come around the corner and there is a massive samurai. And his name is Fear. Now there are a few things that you can do there. You can go turn around and you can run back. The other one is you can go, ooh, I wonder if I can sidestep this guy. Well, you have another option available to you. And you can ask him why he's there. Every time I've done that, that warrior takes off a mask and it is me. I am looking at me.
I think with Mark, the breathing and that first session of breathing, which was just a whole buzz with energy and just stuff that I'd never experienced before. And I would describe it as very harmonious, very easy, very calm, very peaceful. During some of the sessions, quite dramatic and powerful.
After spending 30 years in the fitness industry, my biggest realization after I started all this work was that I'd spent 30 years working on my body, but I was never in it. And that was the real aha moment for me, to be like, the difference between the body externally and the body internally. And sometimes in those moments when we have an experience that we think nothing has happened, that's actually the very truth that we needed to realize, because those moments of nothingness, if we inquire into them, can actually be teaching us something quite profound.
It made me acknowledge that there is radiance in everybody, including me.
Then I realised that it was so beautiful to allow that to move through, and just the way that you guys led the retreat just brings you through it all. And after the breath work, I was like, oh, thank God I got rid of that grief. And so the whole weekend was just incredible.
I think it leaves me free to explore without putting undue expectations on myself.
We were given permission to go much deeper into our true self.